What is active reading for effective textbook summarizing? Imagine sitting down with a textbook and feeling like you're just reading words on a page. Now picture actively engaging with that material, making it work for you. That's what active reading is all about. It's a way to turn passive reading into a purposeful activity that helps you understand, remember, and summarize what you learn. Instead of just skimming through pages, you ask questions, highlight important parts, and organize ideas as you go. When you start a new chapter, begin by previewing it. Look at the headings, subheadings, summaries, and review questions. This gives you a clear idea of what the chapter is about and what you need to focus on. It's like setting a goal before you begin. Then, use selective reading. Instead of reading every single word, scan paragraphs to find the key information. This saves time and keeps your attention on the most important parts. As you read, highlight or underline main ideas, key terms, and concepts. Writing notes in the margins or in a notebook helps reinforce what you're learning. Asking yourself questions like, what is the main point here? Or why does this matter? Encourages you to think more deeply about the material. When you finish a section, try to outline the main structure. Identify the main argument, supporting ideas, and evidence. Once you have a good grasp, write a summary in your own words. This step is vital because it forces you to process the information and make it your own. Summarizing helps you remember better and makes review easier later on. To make your summaries even stronger, analyze the content. Think about why the author included certain details, whether the evidence makes sense, and if there are any gaps or assumptions. In practical terms, active reading for textbook summarizing involves previewing chapters to set your goals, skimming to find key points, annotating to stay engaged, asking questions to clarify ideas, outlining the main structure, and then writing summaries in your own words. This approach turns reading into an interactive process that boosts your understanding and helps you create organized notes. When you use active reading, you're not just absorbing information. You're making it work for you, making studying more efficient and your summaries more effective.